Hi, I'm Will. Welcome to the podcast room at Cardiff Met. I am recording my podcast, the Queer Voices Sport Podcast, which I started in the autumn as part of an assessment on the Sport Broadcast Masters at Cardiff Met. It's a chat form of podcast. I have different guests from the world of sport who are also part of the LGBTQ plus community. They come and tell me about their life experiences in sport.
So the podcast industry has exploded in the last 5 years. So everything we do on our courses tries to replicate what's happening in the industry. So we try and replicate industry workflows. So we want them to be able to make a full podcast from start to end.
So I've just set the studio up for how I want it for my podcast today. So I've obviously got a big TV screen with the podcast logo on it. I've put in some backlighting. So next I'm using Jamie, one of our techs, to just sit in the position of where I'm going to have my podcast guests so that I can line my cameras up and I can also check the levels.
We want to expose them to the latest industry tools. So that might be roadcaster equipment, ATEMs, wireless PTZs. So as long as they're handling equipment that they'll be expected to use in the industry, we know they've got a better chance of employment.
Good thing about this is we've got 4 individual cameras and we've got 1 wide shot as well. So when it comes to editing the podcast, each you can cut and people don't realise you've taken something out or you've made an edit. I think it gives industry experience. Podcasting is obviously a sector that's massively growing. To get experience recording podcasts, using all the equipment that goes with it, editing it afterwards, and then getting to see the final result is really invaluable.